If you're thinking about installing gutter guards, keep in mind you're still going to have to maintain your gutters over time. They will pile up with leaves on top and you'll still have to clean them off. So don't think that it's a cure-all for everything. And when someone's trying to sell you gutter guards, they tell you everything that's wonderful about it and no negatives at all. So as long as you realize you're still going to have to maintain cleaning your gutters off, gutter guards are a good idea to keep the majority of it from piling inside the gutter. But you'll still have to clean off the top. I'm going to be doing that today with a pressure washer. Sometimes you can just sweep them off. Let's take a look. As you can see, the gutter guards are all full and the water's just running off the top, right over it. But it is not down inside necessarily, and sometimes the small stuff over time does get down in there, like you can see here. I'm sure that there's probably stuff in there and getting washed behind that where the gutter guard starts to fail. And that's what happens over time, is the weight of the stuff piling up on it ruins the gutter guard and it starts to fail. Like here, see the seam coming apart right here? So like I said, keep in mind you're still gonna have to maintain your gutters when you put gutter guards on. Hope that helps you. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the likes and share. Share, share, share. Thanks. Peace out.